Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Uh, Today, I show you how we can create a Elementor and WordPress landing page. I think you can see this. I already completed a job which is related to Elementor and WordPress. Okay, yeah, it was $75 task, and it was very simple project for me. And also, thank you. And I got 5-star review and very sweet rating, very sweet feedback from the client. He was amazing client. So let's see how we can do that. Okay, so I think we can see the looks. Okay, yeah, I think you can see this is the landing page which I already made for my client, and I already delivered this. It was very simple project, but some tricky things. I think you can see this, the layer options and the shadow, and this button icons, and something is a very cool look of this one also. So here is some challenging issue which I have to complete using custom css. Okay, so let's see how we can do this, and how we can use the custom css in WordPress and Elementor. uh, it was $75 task, so it's take 7 or 6 hours for me. Okay, um, and let's open the Elementor. So at first, let's see how we can do that. Okay, so in the WordPress backend you will just log in the WordPress dashboard. Okay, then you can see the plugin options in here. Okay, if you install this fresh WordPress, you can see only few things like dashboard, appearance, plugins, user tools, settings, and etc. And these walls, WP form essential template Elementor. These walls come from the Elementor and others plugins. Okay, so at first we have to install the Elementor plugin. So yeah, you need to go the Elementor. So you need to go the plugins and add new section. Just click on add new, and then you can see the interface. Here I already started, that's why it's showing. Okay, and this, let's click on it. Okay, you can see the front end. Okay, in the plugin section. Okay, just in the search option you just type Elementor. Okay, like this. When you put an Elementor text, it will filtering, and then you can see the Elementor and essential Elementor and the very first link of the search. Okay, so just click on the install button. You can see it's already installed in my site, that's why the button is hidden. But if not install on your side, you can see the button of install like this. Okay, like this. Okay, so at first you will have to install Elementor. So just you just click on the Elementor, sorry, install now, and then just click on the active. Okay, and then you will install the essential add-on for Elementor. Okay, but don't try to before install Elementor to install the essential add-on plugins. Okay, at first you will install Elementor, then you will try to install the essential add-on. So it's a very simple process, just active, and you will just install basic of essential add-on Elementor. Okay, so when we will install the Elementor and essential add-on Elementor, then you can see this menu on the left side of the dashboard. Okay, and at first we have to create a page for design this page using Elementor. So just click on add new. Okay, and then you have to write your title of the pages. Okay, just You use your title whatever you want. Okay, like the home, and then you can see the publish button. Just click on published, and then again click on the publish, then it will be published on your site. Okay, then you have to open this home page or your page using the Elementor. So you have to click on the edit with Elementor button. Then you can see this sorry, then you can see this blank page like this. I already designed this I mean landing page using Elementor. So I just have a look, I just want to try have a look, and I just want to try the very simple process how you can create this kind of website. Okay, if you don't have any idea about Elementor, you can find the Elementor tutorial on YouTube. Then you can see this tutorial, so it will help for you. Because if you have no idea about Elementor, I think you cannot understand everything. Okay, so you can see this is the blank page. By default you can see the header and the menu. Okay, this is the brand name and the menu. So at first you have to click on the setting, and you have to change the page layout to default to the Elementor canvas. Okay, when you click on the Elementor canvas, it will be open a blank page, not header and footer. It's fully blank and fully page. Okay, then you have to design this page like this. This design is provided by the client. Okay, client gave me the PSD file, and then I converted this to the Elementor page. Okay, so here is so I think everyone know the elements of the Elementor. If I talk about this element, it will take lots of time. So my video is going to be more than 1 or 2 hours, so it's taking lots of time. So I just escape this process. I just focus on the landing page in here. Okay, there is a just three column section. Okay, this is the one column, this is two column, and this is the three column. Now first column is the brand and the logo, and third column is the icon box. You can see the icon, sorry, not icon box, it's an icon symbol. Okay, and this is this emails, and it's a link to the custom URL, the base URL, I mean the uh, domain name. Okay, so if you use only the slash, it's take a dynamical URL from the homepage URL. Okay, so I just use this, and this is this simple icon. Here is no link, and so just a simple icon, and I change this color. Let's see the colors, I mean the dynamic colors, because I can see here is 3 or 4 colors like the blue and the orange, the deep orange maybe, okay, and light blue. Okay, and this is the white color, not the it's only the table. Okay, so here is 3 or 4 colors, and uh, one is obviously white color. I just add this color for design purpose. uh, Global color, you can see the primary color and the secondary color. This is the primary color, the deep orange like this, and the secondary color is the blue. And the new item, I just add a custom color. It's white color. Okay, so there is the 3 colors, and the global font is Montserrat, maybe, yeah, Montserrat. Okay, so I just add these 3 things on the globally. Okay, so it's take very few time for design. We just use this global color and the font. Very easy. Okay, just simple. Here is, you can see the two column, and this column also one section. Okay, this one column under them one section. Okay, so here is also the three columns, and then three column has three image, and I use the minus margin for this for the middle images, and this two image is left and right aligned. This is very simple. This image is provided by client, so I just drag and drop the image element, and I change this image blank element to the image, this image. Okay, it's a very simple process. This is the heading text. Yeah, talking about this color. So you, when you go to the style, you can see you not need to add every time the color code, or the not need to change the color. Okay, you just click on the custom, and you can see the primary, secondary, and others color, the theme colors. Okay, you can see a lot of color on here, which is by default color from your theme. So we in the very first time we add this color. That's why it's take only few times to add the color and the font family. Okay, and here you can see the form. This is the WP form. Okay, and you can see the layer option. I'm trying to see you how we can make this layer. Okay, you can see the tree shadow, this one and this one and this one. Okay, and if we go to the advanced and background, you can see the background color is blue, which is this one, the first one, and you can see the border and the box shadow, I mean border color, this one. Okay, I think you can see the border color. Okay, 0. Yeah, can you see? This one is the border color. Okay, so this is the first layer, and the box shadow, you can see the box shadow. This is the second layer, and the third box shadow, I mean third shadow, you can see the bottom of the second. This is the column shadow. Okay, so go to the columns and border, sorry, the background, and maybe, yeah, the background overlay, border color. Sorry, not need to border. Okay, here is the background color. This is the background color. Okay, and you can see the minus margin. You can see the padding and margin. Okay, so these three shadow come from the box shadow and the background color. Okay, this one and these two text is very simple text. Here is the heading, and you can see the section, and here is the two section. One is yeah, here is the sorry, maybe three section. Yeah, here is the one section and three column. Okay, so first column is a logo, third column is logo, and second column is heading text. Okay, yes, and this is the data table, and this data table is come from the essential add-on. Yeah, we use only for this data table the essential add-on, and you can use the essential add-on plugin what you want. It's most of the feature is Elementor Pro features is available on free version, so you can use also the free version of the essential add-on plugin beside the Elementor plugin. Okay, and you can see here is the icon color. I use this icon color by using custom CSS. I'll show you to complete the the process. Okay, this is our next process, the next issue. So after completing this, then I will show you. So very simple data table. You can see the data table is a header, content, and export system. If you have CSV file or any other file, you can also export this. Okay, just click on export, then you can download the CSV file. Okay, and then you will also upload this, and this and upload system is only available to premium plan, so we not need to go with premium. We are okay with only the free version. Okay, so it's the very simple. Just add the content, then you can see the row, and this is the column. This is the row, and this one is row, this one is header, this one also row, this one also row, and this one is column. So this is the column text. Okay, this is the column icon, this is also the column icon. Okay, so these two, so same thing for these 6 and 7 rows. Okay, so every row is same, and it's a very simple to change the color from the style. So it's take lots of time if I change also the color and everything. So you will, I think, try by your own. Okay, so you can learn deeply. And then the next section, you can see the heading on the one. The first one is heading 1, the second one is heading 2, and here is a subsection, and the subsection is divided by 4 column. The first one is image, second one is header, and third one is the text area. Okay, same thing goes to the 3 and 4, 2, 3 and 4 column. Okay, so it's a very simple design, just we use the box arrow. Okay, this is the image box, just you use the image and the heading text, the title. Okay, and use the box shadow of the box shadow of the image box. Okay, just sorry, background, not this is the border, then you can see the the box shadow. Okay, so these 4 column are same to the first one. Okay, and same thing to the next section. The background color is white, and you can see the right side is an email, and this is very simple text heading and the contact, sorry, heading and the text area, and then simple button with the sweet icon. Okay, this is also the 2 column section. This is the heading, this is the text area, and here is, you can see the image with an icon. Okay, and here is the counter with the 4 column subsection. Okay, so this 4 column is similar, only the text are different. Okay, and then you can see the heading and subheading are same, goes to the top. And here is also the subsection 1. In the right side is image, and the left side is accordion. I think we can see this, the sweet accordion, and the first one is by default open. The background color is white, and very eye-catching font family, I think. And this is the last one, the last section, and the footer section. Very simple, similar button. Just use the simple button for everyone, because it was um, recommended by the client, so we use the similar thing of the button. Okay, you can see So this I have to see now the icon of the button. So you can see the button. When you click on the button, you can see the advanced option, and there is a button with icon. So use this ID for add the pseudo class of css after. Okay, and this is the icon. So if I open this page, sorry, the global css option from the customizer, just 1 minute. Then you can see the custom css. Let me few times for open this customizers. Okay, the additional css. You can see here is a lot of the pseudo, a lot of text and the css especially. And this is the wp form after effect. Okay, the pseudo class, you can see the content. This content is goes to here. Okay, so and to right, background color is white color padding, right? Yes, if you have any idea about custom css, I think you understand. This is the about the pseudo class. Okay, this is the id, and this id position is relative, and this position is absolute, and you will design as per your requirements. So this was the landing page design, and it was $75 project. And finally I completed this project with great review and 5-star feedback. Client is very happy to got this project live. Okay, um, I think my experience was really good. Yeah, it's a fully responsive website. Stay on the page, you can, if you see. Yeah, this is fully responsive website. Okay, so it was the project and project overview. I think if you were familiar with Elementor, I think you will understand 100%. Here's late night, so my voice is going down, and maybe have to go to bed. So thank you for being with me, and stay with me and support with me. If you're new on my channel, please click on the subscribe button and also click on the bell icon. So if you click on the bell icon, you will get a notification when published any video on my YouTube channel. So thank you for being with me. See you next tutorial. Thank you. Bye bye.